What's up, all my affiliates? It's your boy CJ here with Smart Grind Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to be talking about Maxbounty training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer, testing and tweaking with Entre pages. Are you ready?
Right.
All right, so today we're going to talk about two things, two factors. We're going to talk about, testing to see how our landing pages are working and how they might be converting. This is how you can tell if they're converting or there's something that you need to change on them, and kind of a sense of tracking and knowing where your clicks are coming from. If you don't have any money to, pay for like Click Magic or any of those high price tracking tracking systems, I've kind of generated my own way of tracking just by messing with Entre pages, and I love this free landing page platform because they give you a lot of value, and it's easy to make a landing page, and it's simple to like get opt-ins. So like on Entre pages right here, y'all, as you see right here, it'll tell me how many visitors have visited my landing pages, right? And then it'll tell me how many have converted and opted into my opt-in box. And then my thank you page, it'll tell me how many people clicked on my thank you page and actually clicked the button and went through. So, I mean, that's beautiful. So, out of 82 people, 36 people opted in and 41 clicked through to the page. The numbers are confusing sometimes, but also I use my bit.ly link right here, and it'll tell me in general where the traffic source came from, what type of traffic source it was, and typically what country it came from, and stuff like that. That's like little small things. So this is like the first step in process that you will go about of telling if your ad copy, let's say in one of the free traffic sites such as Tagged or Facebook or anything like that. This is how you tell if your ad copy is right and people are engaging with it. So if I get a click on here and I see it came from Facebook, then I know, all right, I'm getting a lot of engagement through Facebook. The ad's right. It's good. It's cool. It's ready to go, right? So if I come here and I look on here and I see that they've went to my landing page and then they've opted into my landing page right here, guys. They've opted in. After viewing my landing page, they've opted in. Then I know my landing page is pretty good. I don't have to change up too much of that. Out of 82 people, 36 people opted into the box. You know what I'm saying? And then out of 36 people, some people have visited. They probably visited twice and opted in twice, and went and clicked to visit my site. And so, for example, here's my landing page. Y'all all know this offer if y'all are in Maxbounty. This is free diapers, and this is one of my landing pages that I've made with EntrePage. And what I love so much about EntrePage is even though it's a free traffic site and they have their logo on it, they make it look professional. They don't make it look all stuck out where your page doesn't look professional, or somebody's like, this isn't a professional page. Like this, powered by EntrePages, is small. It's something that's not that noticeable, but their logo's there. And then on top of that, when you create your domain name, if you don't have a domain name to link with it, they let you create the domain. So see, this is freediaperstoday.entrepages.com. So, I mean, it looks more of a realistic domain name than, let's say like landingpagemonkey.com/freediapers. That looks like crap, and people aren't going to opt into that. And so I'll show you what this landing page is. I was promoting the free diapers offer, and it's like she just got her free box. Register today to get your free box. And I showed a video of this lady who got a free box of diapers.
Hey everybody, today I'm just going to be showing you guys the box that I received in the mail for free from Baby Freebies.
But it's a video about free box of diapers, so I'm giving them more encouragement, more drive to want to opt into this free diapers offer by simply displaying it in front of them that what they can get if they potentially opt in. So and then I go from there, and then I tell them register now again for your free box, and then let's like opt in real quick. And then the opt-in is gonna tell you and take you to the thank you page. All right, now this is important. This is very important. Most people won't know what to do with your offer if you don't tell them. So I'm pretty sure if you've seen on my video, if you watch my channel, this little video right here is on my channel and it's public, and it gets me a lot of leads organically on YouTube just because I have it published there. But I tell them, watch this video to see the final step to get your free box. And then so they click on it, they watch it, and I go through the steps of how you go through this offer. They put in their name and email and all that good stuff. And I show them the process that they go through. I show them how to opt into my my CPA offer. That simple. It's easy. You know, you use screen recorder, record your screen, show them what to do, get them to opt in, and then go to the next step. And then when I tell them to go to the next step, they click on the Get My Box button. Let me turn that off real quick. They click on the Get My Box button, and boom, it brings them to the Everyday Free Family offer. That's my CPA offer. Super easy, free landing pages, an easy way to test and see if your landing page is working. So let's go back and review real quick, and then I'll show you how EntrePage also keeps you a good email list as well. You know, you can build your email list like this too as well. But like I said, let's go back and review. So the first step was to get them to click on my bit.ly link, which is right here. So I can tell that they're opting in from Facebook. 60% of them, 60 clicks came from Facebook. 50 of them came from the United States, where my offer is, because you can't stop everybody from seeing, you know, your offer. And so I come here, I see the next step. So out of those 50 clicks, which, you know, I'm promoting this with more than one site, so there's going to be more clicks. So 50 of these clicks came from Facebook, and let's say 20 of them opted in. All right, and then they went to the next step. They went to my thank you page, which gave them the instruction on how to fill out my CPA offer, which is giving people visual perspective of what they need to do. I didn't show you the full video because I didn't want to drag this out and make it long. But pretty much, so they viewed it, and they clicked on the Get My Box button, and then they opted in. That's 41 people. And then they go from there, and that's how you get conversions. That's how you can kind of trail and track your conversions. And then the final step is to watch your Maxbounty account. See, so from here, if this goes up, if you know this went up, then you know you've got to click on your Maxbounty. Then it's probably time to check your Maxbounty out, or whatever CPA affiliate network company you're working with to generate commissions. But that's kind of my way of tracking. And also I'll show you how they send all of these emails, whoever opts into here, they send them to the email that you subscribe to. So you see here, these are all emails of people, their name, their zip code, and their email. So that's one way of keeping track. That's one way I keep track, depending on how you have them opt in. Like for my rent a home offer, I had them opt in their zip code and their email first. I didn't have them put in their name, just their zip code and their email. That's kind of like a step in process. And then I tell them to confirm their email on the next page. Then they have to put in their name, first, last name, then email. And then I already know what area they came from because I had to put in their zip code. So that's how you kind of like, you know, you get your high targeted traffic by just kind of like tweaking it. So the first step, I just made them put in their email and their zip code. So therefore, I know what area they're in. So if I have a lot of people opting in this zip code, then I know I can target that in a high area. You get what I'm saying? And another way EntrePages has, now they don't have it in order. They just like, whoever comes in or whatever and opts in, they keep track of it. As soon as it finishes loading, see, these are people that double opted in, I guess, or whatever, or my page isn't loading all the way right. But let me go to the next page. All right, there we go. See, same thing. It gives you the time, date, the emails, all that. And by the way, EntrePages does not give me any affiliate commissions for this. I'm just recommending this because it's a great platform. It's simple. It's easy. I can create another form if I want to, like right now, real time, and I can duplicate a landing page and just change up the box and the text. It's simple, easy, fast, guys. That was a good way for you to, like I said, track your CPA, see what's going on. If you don't have the money to spend on ClickMagick or anything like that, I just gave you a formula how you can track your CPA offer step by step. The basics of it, you know what I'm saying? You need Bitly. That's the beginning phase. Step 1. Step 2 is your EntrePage, checking your clicks on your EntrePage. Who, if they clicked on it right here and they've opted into your inbox, then they've clicked on your button. That can kind of tell you how many people have went to your Maxbounty CPA offer, and then you go from there. Then you check the clicks on your affiliate back office, and if you're getting a lot of clicks and only getting a few leads, then you test it for a few days and you're not really seeing that much leads, but you're getting a whole lot more clicks, then it might be the offer. It might not be that great, or the landing page for the offer might not be that appealing to them. Or a lot of people don't know this. You got a lot of people promoting the same thing. They probably already opted in, and so that lead's not going to count. You have to take all those things into factor. But I hope this was informative, y'all. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Like this video if you found this content informative. Drop a comment if you got any questions, if you're confused about anything. Y'all already know who it is. It's CJ with Smart Growing Entrepreneurs. Today we're going to talk about Maxbounty training, super free traffic methods, promoting your CPA offer, tracking, and tweaking with EntrePages. I'm out.